Good morning, guys. This week's video is for the senior school for year 10 and upwards, or form 4 and upwards. We are focusing on ball control, so looking at our hand-eye and foot-eye coordination this week. Okay, so for your warm-up, you need a ball, and you are going to move the ball around your body to get a bit of ball handling going. So you're going to start by going around your head, and then around your waist, and then around your knees, and then your ankles. Okay, you can also go around one leg, go around the other leg, and then do your figure of 8. Okay, you're going to do those, you're going to do 20 of each. Then you are going to do 20 high knees, so getting those knees up nice and high. You're going to do 20 jump squats. You're going to do 20 quick feet. And you're going to do 20 heel flicks. And you're going to repeat that twice, and then just do some stretches. Alright, so we're going to start off using our hands and doing our hand-eye coordination with the ball. So we're going to have a look at some dribbling. We're going to do some right hand, left hand, alternating our hands, doing a high bounce and a low bounce. Okay, so quick demo. We're going to do dribbling with our right hand, dribbling with our left hand, alternating hands, and then trying to do a high bounce higher than your waist, and try to do a low bounce. That's really easy. Then try it with a smaller ball. Okay, so dribbling with your dominant hand, your non-dominant hand, alternating, and then try and do high bouncing, and then take it down low and do low bounces. Now we're going to move to the wall, or if you have a partner that would be great. So we're going to do throwing and catching off the wall. So we're going to focus on throwing one-handed against the wall, your dominant hand and then your non-dominant hand. You can start off by catching the ball with two hands, but then I'd like you to throw and catch with one hand, and then alternating hands. And then to make it harder, you could throw the ball with more power or less power. Obviously, the more power you throw it with, the quicker it will come back to you, so the quicker your reactions need to be. Alright, so quick demonstration. So start off throwing the ball with one hand. You can do it catching with two. Okay, and not changing hands. And then if you can, throw with one hand, catch with one hand. And the other side. Okay, and then you can alternate hands. So go left hand to right hand, left hand to right hand. And if you find that easy, again, go to a smaller ball, and you can throw it and catch. Throw with one hand, catch with two hands, or you can throw and catch with one hand. Alternate your hands. So the last one is our foot-eye coordination before we go into our little competition. So we are looking at controlling the ball with our feet. So to start off with, we're just going to do some toe taps on the ball. Okay, so you can start off slowly and then move and try and do it a lot quicker. Okay, then we're going to do some taps to the side, just keeping the ball in between our feet, staying light on our toes. Okay, then you can have rebounding off the wall with your dominant foot. You can move to your non-dominant foot, and obviously stand closer and further away from the wall to make it harder. You can alternate your feet, right foot to left foot. And then you can do all of those skills with a smaller ball to see if you can make it harder and to keep the same amount of control. Okay, so now for your competition time. Got 2 drills that I want you to have a go at. So the first one is to do with your throwing. So I want you to find 3 objects to make as targets, okay? I want you to have a bigger target and then make them smaller. Something that you can maybe throw the ball into, like the lid of a plastic tub or your waste paper bin. You could have like a hoop if you've got something like that at home, or just put an item of clothing down on the floor and get them closer and then further away, and start say a few meters away from your targets and then have a go at throwing the ball to try and land on or in those targets. And obviously you can make it harder by standing further away and making your targets smaller. And then for your feet, if you can make 3 sets of targets to kick the ball through, and again you can use an item of clothing or a couple of water bottles. The further apart you make your target and the bigger the area to kick the ball through, obviously the easier it is. The closer together you make your target, the harder it is. And make your targets different distances again and see how well you. Okay, so to round up today's lesson, we've had a look at controlling the ball both with your feet and with your hands. Obviously, I've mentioned the word coordination, so that might be a bit of a hint. But without looking at your fitness booklets and the exercises that we've done previously, can you try and name some different components of fitness that those activities we've just done are in helping you to improve? And can you try and remember the fitness test that you could do to test those areas of fitness? Okay, I have sent out the answers to the muscles and bones worksheet from last week, so hopefully you've got that and you can check your answers and see how many you got correct. Place the coin on top of the ball, let it bounce and catch it.